channel. My name is Brittany. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be a day in the life. I had my last load of laundry that I needed to finish, and so I just put that in. I will leave all the products that I use in the description box if you are interested, so you can check that info there. So I started this load of laundry, and I'm going to put another load in the dryer right here. That's what you see me doing. And I also need to clean my washer. So I will be cleaning my washer tonight with the OxiClean washer cleaner. My washer normally takes the Fresh brand, but the store that I went to did not have that brand, so I will be using the OxiClean brand. It did do pretty well. If you look, and you'll see there's a stain there, some leftover residue. My little cousin had used my washer, and he used a powder detergent, and it kind of left some of that residue behind. So I'm cleaning that out, and then I'm going to be pouring in that OxiClean cleaner. So you guys will see me doing that coming up next. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up at the end. Leave me a comment. If you are not subscribed, boo, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so after I cooked and did laundry, me and my daughter decided to play a game of Speed. I don't know if you guys have ever played Speed before, but they're always trying to beat me. My two daughters have beat me before, but tonight she just couldn't get me. So it was just super fun. But we played a few games of that, and then I had a little of my favorite ice cream, and then yeah, we just called it a night. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely go ahead and do so, and definitely leave me a comment and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.